What if I told you that the tiny green herb sitting on your plate could transform your health in ways you never imagined? Stay with me until the end, because what you're about to discover about parsley might change how you look at this humble garnish forever. Parsley has been used for over 2,000 years, dating back to ancient Greek and Roman civilizations, who valued it not just for cooking, but for its powerful medicinal properties. This Mediterranean herb contains an impressive array of vitamins, including vitamin A, which supports eye health and immunity, vitamin C, which acts as a potent antioxidant boosting your immune system, and collagen production, and vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone strength. The antioxidants found in parsley, particularly flavonoids and carotenoids, work tirelessly to protect your cells from oxidative damage and may help prevent chronic diseases. But here's where it gets really interesting. Parsley acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, potentially helping with conditions like arthritis, asthma, and lung inflammation. If you're finding this information valuable, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our health tips. This powerful herb also supports your kidneys by helping eliminate toxins from your body, combating water retention, and potentially preventing kidney stones. It stimulates digestion by increasing bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats, while also relieving bloating and gas. For heart health, parsley contains folic acid, which helps reduce homocysteine levels in your blood, a compound linked to increased cardiovascular disease risk. Women may particularly benefit from parsley as it helps regulate menstrual cycles and ease menstrual discomfort. You can use fresh parsley in salads, soups, and sauces, blend it into green juices, or try traditional dishes like tabbouleh and chimichurri. However, moderation is key, as excessive consumption may contribute to kidney stone formation in sensitive individuals due to its oxalate content, and it can interact with blood-thinning medications because of its high vitamin K content. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health insights.